All right, so we've got the TASVAC S8 cordless stick vacuum featuring powerful suction, retractable wand, anti-allergy large dustbin, motorized floor brush here. Okay, and so this is what comes right out the box. Here's your motorized floor brush with the articulating arm. Okay, give you an idea of the floor brush itself down here. Did come with an extra filter and a cleaning tool. Unhook hair with this, brush it out. Mounting screws, that's for the mounts that we will mount the vacuum to here later. The extension wand, which will connect here to give you that motorized bit. The power, then you have the actual unit here. The battery itself, which just slides right in. So, whoops, goes this way. The battery did come charged, so we will test this out. Let's keep messing that up. So like that. Oops. That rather. Okay, so now we're locked and loaded. So there's that. Here's the piece that comes disconnected, the dustbin. So if you want to clean it, this lock up here gets you undone there. And you can take out, change the filter, or fast empty the dustbin at the bottom. So we'll snap this bit back in. Excuse me being out of frame here for a sec. Snap it back in. Okay, we are back. We are locked and loaded. This thing's good to go. Okay, so when I first click the switch, see the batteries at 68% in the suction flow, so it's at max suction. Sorry, second to max. It's got 3 levels: low, medium, high. So take an attachment. So this is actually a fairly big, fairly heavy unit. Already down to 62% after less than a minute. 61%. So it is going down fast. This is dust. So there you have it.